Hi everyone, this is your PMR. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am going to discuss on how to find the equation of the ellipse given the center, focus, and vertex. We have the given center at the origin, focus at the 0 and 8, vertex at the 0 and 10. Number 2, center at the origin, focus at 0 and 3, and vertex at 0 and 5. Let's answer number 1. The focus is at 0 to 8. This is our focus and our vertex is 0 to 10. The equation of the ellipse is the quantity of x minus h squared over b squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared over a squared equals 1. Now we need to substitute the values. Our h and k is the center. So 0, 0 man siya. So our h and k is 0. And our a squared is 10 squared. Because the value of a is the distance from 0 to the vertex. We need to find the value of b squared. In order to find the value of b squared, we need to use the formula c squared equals a squared minus b squared. Our c is the distance from 0 to the focus, which is 8. And our a is 10. So 8 squared equals 10 squared minus b squared. By using the additive inverse, we come up b squared equals 10 squared minus 8 squared. 10 squared is 100 minus 8 squared is 64. So 100 minus 64 is 36. The value of our b squared is 36. So the equation of the ellipse given the center at the origin, focus at 0 and 8, vertex at 0 and 10 is x squared over 36 plus y squared over 100 equals 1. So let's proceed to number 2. The focus is at 0 and 3 and the vertex is at 0 and 5. The equation of the ellipse is the quantity of x minus h squared over b squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared over a squared equals 1. We need to substitute the value of h and k. Our h and k is 0 and 0 because our center is 0 and 0. And the value of our a is 5 because our a is the distance from the origin to the vertex. We need to find the value of b squared. In order to find the value of b squared, we need to use the formula c squared equals a squared minus b squared. The value of our c is 3 because c is the distance from the origin to the focus. And the value of our a is 5. So 3 squared equals 5 squared minus b squared. By using the additive inverse, we come up to b squared equals 5 squared minus 3 squared. 5 squared is 25 and 3 squared is 9. So 25 minus 9 is 16. The value of our b squared is 16. So we need to substitute the values. X minus 0 equals x minus 0 squared is x squared over the value of our b squared is 16 plus y squared because y minus 0 squared is y squared over 5 squared is 25. So y squared over 25 equals 1. The equation of the ellipse given the center at the origin, focus at 0 and 3, vertex at 0 and 5 is x squared over 16 plus y squared over 25 is 1. So that's it. Thank you for watching.